Uttar Pradesh has launched a large-scale hiring drive. Across the region, 2,085 permanent positions in banking, clerical, and engineering are now open. The application window is strictly defined. The UP Cooperative Bank will accept digital submissions only between April 25th and May 15th, 2026. Before beginning the digital process, you must have your physical documents ready. This includes your official educational degree certificates and the mandatory NEOLIT computer certifications. You also need your digital prerequisites prepared for upload, correctly formatted scanned identification files, and an active electronic payment method. Organizing these items beforehand is the only way to navigate the timed application system. Without them, you risk errors that lead to automatic disqualification. The baseline eligibility requirement is age. Applicants must be between 21 and 40 years old, though standard government relaxations apply for reserved categories. These 2,085 vacancies are divided into two distinct career tracks, each with a specific qualification matrix. For the clerical track, the educational requirement is a university degree. The system specifically recognizes graduation, BCom, BBA, and BBM degrees. These rules also carry a mandatory typing requirement. You must demonstrate a speed of 30 words per minute in Hindi and 40 words per minute in English. Additionally, clerical applicants must hold a CCC or O-level computer certification, issued specifically by NILEAT. The technical and engineering track requires a different set of credentials. Applicants here must hold a specialized engineering degree or diploma relevant to the post. This track also requires specific computer and IT qualifications as defined by the bank's service rules. Any application that lacks the exact combination of degree, typing speed, and computer certification required for the chosen role will be rejected by the system. The selection process is a multi-stage elimination sequence designed to filter the high volume of applicants. This chart illustrates the first phase, the objective type preliminary exam. This test filters the pool down to exactly 15 times the number of available vacancies. Survivors move to the main exam, which further narrows the field to 3 times the vacancies for interviews and 5 times for technical proficiency tests. Both exam phases include a negative marking rule. For every incorrect answer, 1/4 of a mark is deducted from your score. This ratio makes random guessing statistically disadvantageous. 4 incorrect guesses will completely negate 1 correct answer. To advance through this funnel, you must rely on accuracy. The system prioritizes verified knowledge over the total number of attempted questions. To begin, navigate to the official portal at upcisb.upsdc.gov.in and select New Registration. Enter your legal name, mobile number, and email address. The system will use these to generate your unique credentials. Record your system-generated registration number and password immediately. You will need these to access the portal in the future. As you fill out the application, use the Save and Next button at the end of each section to ensure your progress is stored. The portal requires 4 specific digital uploads. First, you must provide a clear scanned photograph and your signature according to the portal's size specifications. You also need a scanned left-hand thumb impression and a handwritten declaration written exactly as prescribed in the official notification. At the end of the form, you will reach the Complete Registration button. This is the final point of commitment for your data. Once you click this button, the information you have entered cannot be changed. If your name or details do not match your official certificates, your application will simply be rendered invalid. After locking your data, you must pay the application fee through the integrated gateway using a card, UPI, or net banking. Do not close the browser until the payment clears. Once successful, the system will generate an e-receipt for you to download. An application is only considered complete once you have both the final printed form and the digital e-receipt. Your administrative process is finished when you have physical copies of both your application and your payment confirmation. Continue to check your registered email and phone number. The UPCISB will use these contacts to issue your admit card. With the application submitted, the focus now shifts to the intensive study required to pass the objective exams. Completing this protocol is the necessary first step. Your success in securing one of these 2,085 roles now depends on your preparation for the testing phase.